What is good, my boys? Yeah, today is a very special day. I will be unboxing this package of the Kyuranger Morpher that I ordered off of eBay. I can't wait any longer, so I'm just gonna open it. Do I really wanted this? Yeah. This was like 60 bucks. Very cheap compared to other prices. Yeah. String. Who needs scissors anyway? Yeah. I waited like 2 days for this. Bubble wrap packaging. Yeah. Here it is. Kyuranger Morpher. It's in the Japanese packaging. There's not a lick of English on here. Yeah. Ooh. The back looks nice. Can't read anything. That's the Go Lucky Naga. Kyuranger is a great season. Oh. Nothing in there. Some instructions in Japanese, so they don't matter anyway to me, because I already know everything. Ooh, this thing looks so nice. Kyutama. The wrist strap. Empty box. Ooh. This is so worth the 2-day wait. Oh. Oh. My God. Ooh. Oh, it goes on the left hand. It's a little small for my hand, but I do not care. One bit. Ooh. Pew pew. Ooh. I kind of want to get this on my wrist already. Is there like a one button? I really wish I could read Japanese. Let's see if there's a on button. Woohoo! This is amazing. This is my first Toku item in my house. Or at all. It's just like the show. I might just have to follow the visual instructions later. Because you got the Leo Kyutama. I wanted a Big Bear, but it's too expensive. And I'm broke, so you know. No Big Bear until I have more money. Just... There you go. Start changing. Ooh. Leo. This is amazing. Ooh. This is so worth that money. I'm definitely gonna need to buy more of these. Ooh. Let's see if I'm smart enough to do this. Oh, I guess my hand needs to be there. Let's remove the heat timer before I break it. Ooh. Guess that goes all the way through. Come on. I took an engineering class. Yeah. I really can't fit on my hand through big hands. Lucky didn't have big hands. Okay. I think this is it. There you go. It's on the list. Start changing. Ooh, Ichi Sentai. Kyuranger. Oh, this is so cool. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to buy another Sentai Morpher because it's just the thank you Japan for making this stuff. Yo, it's so in detailed. Let's take it off my list so I can get a closer look. Look at the detail. Guess this stays up. Oh, I'm definitely gonna have fun with that. Well, thank you for watching, and I'll unbox this. Hopefully I will have more unboxings in the future because this is fun and I love having toku items with me. But I guess that's all. You know, I'll probably mess around with this for another 2 hours. Thanks for watching.